Welcome back. Many times, guys are forgotten ones, but we want to remind you, ladies, that we have skin too. And sometimes we would like to take care of it.
Aww.
That's right.
That's exactly why beauty expert Jill Coleman is here today. She's got skincare options plus ideas for Father's Day.
It's Father's Day, and we've never done anything with the guys. So I went shopping last night and found some really clever things, not only just for them, but to throw in their Father's Day baskets or something just a little different. And guys really neglect their skin. Guys aren't ones to say, oh, I'm going to use an eye cream, or I'm going to remember to wear my sunscreen, or any of those things. So I brought some fun things for Father's Day that you can incorporate, but really some really great skin things too. I thought I'd start over here with the razors. You know, guys, keep those nose hairs and ear hairs out of there. I brought some really great trimmers. There's actually one, this Cruiser is made for beards, which is great because of all the beards that people are wearing. Let's keep them neat and trim. This other one, the one in the middle, is a Remington one. What's great about that one, it has a vacuum suction. So after they're done trimming their hair or their beard or shaving, what's nice about it, it's not in our sinks, ladies. It sucks up all the little hair, so you're not taking a Lysol wipe and trying to get it all cleaned out or leaving that mess, which I think is great. Yeah. And these would all great, you know, so there were some guys that just graduated too, so this would be a great gift for them as well, going to college. And typically, a lot of guys will get cologne for Father's Day, and you're like, oh, I don't know which one to get, or, you know, he doesn't want a big bottle of cologne sitting around. So at Ulta the other day, I found on the very end, there's a Calvin Klein, it's a multi-pack. So there's different scents. So they're little smaller bottles that you can get that have a little, that they can try them out and see if they like them or not.
Eternity Obsession, I think I saw.
Yes,
nice.
It's great. And this one right here is like a little roller ball. And what I liked about that is so many professional men are not going to bring, you know, something. They can slip this in their pockets of their suits, their briefcases, leave in their desk. And if they want a little spritz during the day, kind of refresh, or they have a meeting at night, they want to smell good because they've been working all day, they can do that, not have this big, heavy, honky bottle they have to take.
It's cologne.
And it's cologne. Isn't that great?
Yeah.
And they come in smaller sizes for men now, especially for professional men that have been asking for them. So that's really great.
Okay, what else have we got down here on that side? Anything else you want to touch on?
This here, I found at Ulta also. It is a 24-hour deodorant body wash. So for my guys that they're, you know, or sports guys, you can get in the shower, wash. Even the next day, you're going to still have some of that nice, clean smell to you.
Wow.
Which is great. Teenage boys, really great. Guys who work outside, something for the lake would be fantastic. And it smells clean. It's beautiful. And it's a great big bottle. Very clean. And so that's kind of a neat concept that I liked. We had talked about exfoliation. I brought an exfoliator. I've showed this one on the show before. But what's great for guys, you guys got beards, you've been working outside, exfoliate that face. You can keep it in the shower. It's wonderful. My guys who have problems with, they shave and they get the red bumps or the irritation on their neck. This product is brand new. Smell this, Chris. This is great. This is called the Cool Fix. And what it does, it helps eliminate all those ingrown hairs and bumps on the skin and neck, and so that you don't have all that irritation on your skin. And it's a new product, and we've been selling out of it at the store. Yes,
How
guys.
much is that one?
I think it runs around $25, but that's a big bottle, and you don't need very much because you're just putting a small layer on your face.
So after you shave, you put it on.
After you shave, if you have a tendency to have that kind of irritation or that rash burn from shaving, this is a really great product for you.
So does it replace an aftershave, or just for?
It doesn't replace an aftershave, but for my guys who have that irritation, it's a great product for them because they won't have that redness to their skin or those ingrown hairs. This little product, this is great for irritated skin too. This is $8.99. Again, this has no parabens, no any of the chemicals in it. It's affordable. It comes in a soap form if the guys don't like a body wash in their shower. It's just the soap. And again, inexpensive price. There's something here for every price range, which I love. One of the best products I found yesterday is this Anthony product. And it's more of a high-performance men's skincare for the guys who really like to take care of their skin. You have the serums in there to help with collagen production. It helps soften their skin a little bit. It helps with fine lines and wrinkles around their eyes and face. And this product, you got to zoom out. This is hilarious. This is called Wake Up, and that is for the men who have had kind of a late night. I call it if you've been out at the clubs or had a wild wedding and you don't look so good and you got a presentation the next day at your business, this is the product for you. And this just came out. It actually has cactus in it for the hydration. If you think of a cactus, how dehydrated you feel after a long night, or if you've had a little excess of drinking, this product is the product for you.
For your face.
For your face. Under your eyes, the whole face. So you feel hydrated. It takes away puffiness.
Wow.
And I kind of laughed about it. I thought, oh God, I wonder if we can use it as girls. This is
It
great.
does say developed for men, borrowed
by women, yes. And again, it's got the menthol, so it doesn't smell. It has a nice, clean smell. Gift packs are really big this time of year, like at Christmas time, because it's Father's Day. Almost all the skincare products have put together gift packs like the Jack Black. So you can throw this in with his Craftsman tools or whatever you're giving him this year, and hopefully he'll use them.
Okay.
Great.
Well, you may even move it over a little bit so
Yeah,
people
it's
can
great.
see it. Yeah, there we go.
This
What's
product is by Mario Badushko. I sell it at Ulta for my guys that have back acne, chest acne, back of arm acne. This product,
this is amazing.
This is amazing. One of my sons lifts and plays football, and of course you can imagine the sweat, the lifting, the dirt, the grime, just the equipment itself, how grungy and disgusting it is. In 1 week, it cleared up everything on his chest and back. I could not believe it. You know, I don't sell any of these products. These are products I try on my family or myself or the guys in my life.
Yep.
Seriously, if you have a guy that has that issue, this is great. The spray here that's next to it, I actually put in a spray bottle. It acts like an astringent. So I just put it in a spray bottle because, you know, no 17-year-old kid is going to take a cotton ball. And not happening
And they probably don't want you touching their
right,
back anyway.
Right,
so.
spray it on there, dries them up.
Spray me, Mom.
Menage, this is a product. It is so beautiful. This is the ultimate in men's skincare. It's absolutely gorgeous. It has something for under the eyes. It's got a mask you can use in the shower. What's great with men's products, all of them can go in the shower.
Yeah.
Another fun one I'm going to have you hold up.
So hilarious.
Clean Brew.
Yeah.
Shampoo with beer in it. Okay, guys, this beer
Beer.
has beer in it.
Seriously.
Has brewer's yeast in it and a little bit of an orange zest. Smell that. It's fantastic.
Okay.
And I'm going to have Chris smell this one. This is great. Almost every skincare now that they've made for women, those brands are also catering to men. Those men have those products. The Aliki on the end is an all-natural. Again, cute kits. The Artist Shaving. It comes with a complete kit and even a little brush to foam up your face before you shave. All of these products, like I said, you can either find at Lifestyle Savvy's here in Fargo or at Ulta. Some of the products, like this one, you can find at Walmart, Target, any of those also. And they even make a Clarisonic for men now.
I love that. It's black.
Yes, and you said, why does it have 3 speeds? Well, guys that are a little more grimy, they have that extra speed to really get into their face and clean things out. I actually have a guy who ordered one for me at the store. We sent it to him. He works at the oil rigs. And he has that petroleum product and the grime from working out there. He loves it. It's the only thing that's cleaned out his skin and kept his skin from breaking out. So all these amazing products that we have here for guys. Like I said, guys get neglected. The other thing, guys, please remember to wear a sunscreen. We all forget about sunscreen, and you need to protect your faces. My husband is a little thinning on top. Make sure you get a spray can, ladies, and make sure they take it out on the fishing boats and spray their heads at fishing weekend so they are protected.
These are all great ideas. Jill Coleman, thank you,
You
so
got
much
it.
for bringing them
Happy
in
Father's
today.
Day to everybody.
We appreciate it. We'll be right back.